What the?
Bro, oh my god. Is that a... No way! Is that a Supra? That is Supra! Yeah! We are toxic. If you guys have ever wanted to buy JackUltraMotive merch, do it this weekend. Starting Thursday at midnight, we're gonna have our 20% off Black Friday sale. So throughout the entire weekend until Sunday, Friday to Sunday, everything in the Ultramotive shop is gonna be 20% off. So now is your chance to go purchase, go do it. I know you want to. So I don't think this is gonna pass the penny test, as they call them, of tread. There's really not much here at all. But anyways, off with those. Time to put on the winters. Dude, I love that car. You ever want to know what it's like to drive this car? Your seating position is really high. Your shift knob position is really interesting right here. Your steering's really light. You also, yeah, you can't be above 200 pounds as far as how comfortable the front bucket seats are. Sorry to half the country of America. I already missed the freaking Enki setup. Like, look at how bad. Very not good. Fitment used to be so much better, but oh well. It's got a lot more tread now. We're gonna play a game. So we got Owen right here. Tim's operating camera right now. Basically, we're gonna play this with the cars going the other way. I've played this before in a video. You're basically gonna give a number, and then you're gonna count the amount of cars that go by, and then whatever number car that is that lands on, that's gonna be your car that you're going home with.
8 cars.
8 cars?
8 cars. All right, that's fair.
Okay. All right, they're coming up hot. Coming up like hot cakes. Welcome to the game show. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, coming up in the next 2 cars. Number 8 is gonna be Owen's lucky Victor of a machine. That is number 7. And number 8, oh!
Escalade.
White Cadillac Escalade, brand new look 2018. Got the LED headlights. Pretty wild. I'll go with 5.
Go with 5.
1. I'll start with that. Is this a Pathfinder? What is this?
Truck.
Nissan truck. Me unknowledgeable. Number 2. Kia Santa Fe. I don't know.
Kia Santa Fe, what?
3, 4. Oh, it's around the corner. Ah, 5.
Oh.
It's a Silverado.
Almost got the same.
I almost got an Escalade as well. Yo, they're common out here. Welcome to Washington. Welcome to America.
Yeah.
What's your number, Tim?
3.
All right.
3. Oh, okay. Really short.
Up there.
Yeah, it's up there. It's one of those. It's the one with the fog lights on right now.
It first.
Is that a Renegade?
No, it's a Jeep Compass, I think.
1, 2,
Yeah, it is.
3. Jeep Compass.
Oh,
How the hell did you figure that? I was close with the Renegade.
I didn't even know what those things were called.
Alright, what's a car that you think will be like super common in Leavenworth that we can like slug bug each other for?
Oh, the most common car that we're gonna find in Leavenworth.
Escalade.
Escalade. Bro, Leavenworth's a bougie town.
I'm thinking like Crosstrack. I'm feeling Crosstrack.
I was gonna say Outback.
Yeah.
Alright, so every time there is an Outback, you'll smack him.
Oh
and
boy.
Then every time I see a Crosstrack, I'll smack you.
Okay, okay. Yo, you guys want to hear what it's like with roof racks?
Oh, what? Yeah, bass boost that.
Dude, this is like a scary movie scene with a windstorm right now. It's got so much whistle to it. See, look at that. Look at that Subaru Outback.
I thought this started when we got to Leavenworth.
Yeah, I know.
I don't think we're in Leavenworth.
All right, I guess I'm ahead of the game. We'll wait till we get into town. Ow. Red racing stripes on the Traverse. That is an Outback.
Oh boy. And so it begins.
Are we actually counting how many?
I am.
Because he's doing it for Outbacks, I'm doing it for Crosstracks. Every time he sees an Outback, he's gonna smack me, and then every time I see a Crosstrack, I'll smack him.
I see another Outback.
Oh no.
It's okay, you won't actually get smacked. I'll just add the sound effect every time.
Every time, okay.
Oh, good booga.
Oh god. Cross track.
God dang it. Wow, that's one so far. And you know what, Tim? Look right freaking over next to that Suburban. Next to that Suburban right there.
Yes.
This war of spotting Crosstreks versus Outbacks, I was telling Tim I just had an epiphany that I have generations upon generations of Outbacks to my advantage to spot. The Crosstrek only goes back like freaking 5 years or so. It only has like 2 generations, so there's a lot more Outbacks to be found, period. RS3? What are the odds? Getting in the trash can.
What are the odds?
I'm not getting
1 out of
1 out of 20.
1 out of 20.
1 out of 20.
3, 2, 1.
100. Nice.
You're retarded.
I got the higher number.
There's a Crosstrek, but there's an Outback right next to it.
Right.
This would be an Outback. It's actually a Legacy, I'm pretty sure. But it doesn't matter because there's an Outback over there. Hey, Tim. Uh-oh. Haha, it's a black. Oh, it just got blocked by another one.
That's really awkward, actually.
Oh, and you have the good stuff?
Yeah, dude.
How much you want for a pop?
Yeah, 15 bucks.
Okay, let me see. Let me take a good look at it, make sure it's all good.
20 for
okay, we got Smucker's grape.
20 for this one. This one's
Oh, shoot. This is rare, dude. You got the mixed fruit jelly?
Yeah,
Whoa.
that's a special one.
It's gonna be tough to get these across the border, I'm just saying.
It really is, man.
Yeah, don't tell anyone about
I
them.
won't. I'm going back in the
Hopefully, I think those guys heard us. For all the Forza people out there, we found a real-life Unimog. It is a Mercedes truck. Wait, does it say Unimog anywhere on it?
I don't know.
Yeah, right here.
Wait, really? Oh, that's so cool.
Number 3.
That's so cool. We found an actual Unimog. It's a lot smaller in person than I thought.
Okay, honestly, am I the only one that only uses these to like roll over other people in Forza?
Yeah, this is the toxic car person in Forza that just smashes into everything.
Dude, what you're getting road trip to Leavenworth in the Unimog?
It's so cold.
So does this mean they have to rescue all the unreliable American Hummers that get stuck and break down?
It's actually legendary, I love that.
Mercedes be flexing on the American off-road market. This looks like World War II.
Yo, Febreze.
You find an actual Febreze?
Yeah.
Anthony can swap wheels, 5R112, you know? Hey, so good. Hey, no. We don't see that, we see over there.
Oh.
A bright orange Crosstrek, Mr. Sir.
Oh, there is your Crosstrek.
Do the German Clarkson dive. He just didn't go in at all. Ready?
Hmm?
Oh!
How's your forehead?
Is it
it's a
snowy?
little purple.
Little purple?
Subaru, pretend Subaru, focus, and then Subaru. I missed the Washington memo. Oh yeah! That's a breathe! I can't breathe! Who needs a hairdryer?
Dude, it's Elvis.
Oh.
It's Elvis.
Oh, we don't need a hairdryer out here.
Oh, he's in the truck. He's moving.
Oh, it's the
hands out of the
Bro, you just got cut off by a Pathfinder.
Screw that guy.
I really hope that's a Pathfinder. You're calling it the wrong thing this entire time. Oh, Crown Vic.
You accidentally hit the windshield. Whoa,
Bro, stop this right now. Oh my God, when you don't have torque. Ah!
Mr. Sir?
Yeah. What?
Access denied. Bye-bye.
Did he have that female driving position?
Yeah, I kind of male Karen out here, dude. Okay. Oh boy! Oh, that's close! Oh! Yeah! It's snowing out! Oh! That was epic! Holy crap!
Oh, we just went to snowy Mexico.
Snowy Mexico.
Look at that, it's snowing in Mexico, guys. Oh, I can't believe it right now. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, my rear end looking a little dumpy. Sad teardrop.
All right, go.
Whoa! Freaking the cartoon sound effect. Oh, there it goes. No sledding, Tim.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, I just gripped up.
Wow, you gripped up? Arms be flapping.
Nice. Start check.
Checking the depths, round 2. Good measurements. Brand new STI, FRS, RS. What are you going home with? Leave the answer down in the comments below. Which one is your pick? Oh, and then Impreza. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh.
Dude,
that,
stop talking about my ass.
Wait, no, go get back in there. Get the shot. I get.
God, I'm so hopeful.
This shovel's so efficient right now. The methods are just
It's
limitless.
about as good as my brain functions.
So I'm gonna pay you 3 cents an hour, and you're gonna shovel out this entire lot. All right?
Man's gonna be balling. I'm gonna be dead.
Yeah, by the time that he gets like halfway done, it's gonna be.
I gotta look at that's a big old chunk right there.
Meanwhile,
Yeah.
do it. He lost the weapon.
You broke my shovel.
No, not the claw.
That is too.
Wait, you broke the handle too?
Where is it?
It's like one of those things that you grab it with.
You literally have both sides of the shovel broken now.
I wouldn't call it broken, just compromised maybe.
Okay. So, a lot of you guys are wondering how come the 350Z isn't wrapped yet. Obviously, for the whole Forza recreation that we're going for, the wrap is going to be the final puzzle piece, and we have to have all of the exterior done before we start wrapping bits. And that's the thing, the exterior still isn't done. We still have more to go. Oops. So what we have here are some Fly One Motorsports fenders, front fenders for the 350Z. They're going to be super aggressive, super vented, and I'm going to unbox them and show you guys what they look like. But before I go any further, some of you guys are wondering where my gaming videos have been. I have made a new gaming channel and routing all of the gaming videos over there. So go subscribe. It is called JackUltraGamer. We're bringing back the old name for the OGs. Now I quite frankly don't know the best way to go about unboxing these. Alright, this is a fender. I will say these are super light. I'm literally carrying it by the tape. That's how light these things are. Voila, this is what we're working with. It's really Japanese track style, and it's gonna add a lot of nice curves to the Z, and it's gonna make that front end so aggressive. You're gonna have aggressive canards front bumper, aggressive carbon fiber hood, and you're gonna have aggressive vented fenders right there. Now, for those of you Z owners that do know about these, you know that these are really popular in carbon fiber, and the reason why I didn't get them in carbon fiber is because this car is gonna be wrapped. Simply like I said at the beginning, the whole thing's gonna be wrapped over, so I figured, I mean, these are already super light. It'll be something kind of like that. Oh my gosh, that venting is gonna look so mean. And for those of you wondering, these are in fact wider than the OEM front fenders. They're gonna mount up with the rest of the OEM body, but they will give a little more width out there, which is kind of unfortunate because I actually need wider rear fenders because I'm rubbing in the rear and the front is actually fine. I have a little secret to tell you guys. These fenders weren't on the original Forza build. I don't believe I ever saw front race fenders like that on the cover car. However, they're just so sick. I had to go out and get them for this. I think they're just gonna help the car greatly, and it's just gonna look wild with these on. Now we aren't just done yet. Over here, in this big long schlong box, we have side skirts for the 350Z. Let's get them out. Take a sweet little look at them. Here are the side skirts. So if you guys don't know, my front bumper that we added on a while back, that is charge speed. These are authentic charge speed bottom line side skirts that we got to match that. It's gonna flow with the front bumper and really tie in the rest of the car. You can see, where is it? The logo is right there to show that these are authentic. They're gonna have to be painted along with everything else. That is just sick. Front bumper has to go back to paint because if you guys didn't see the video, we had this little chip right here. So I'm gonna hopefully get that all fixed up and that could be in pristine condition again. This is the closest I've been to almost having a full body kit for a car, which I mean, it almost basically is. You got front bumper, side skirts, fenders. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all these together and just send them all off to paint so that they could all be paint matched to black on the car. I'd rather have the whole car be black before it goes in the wrap. That way if we ever want to take off the wrap, it could all just be the same color underneath. But overall, this should be about it for the exterior of the Z. Once all of this is done, the whole thing will be ready for the Forza livery wrap. We got exterior, we got wheels, we got big brake kit, we got interior, we got a track differential, we got suspension, and of course you can't forget the big wang back there. But all that's left is a little bit of power and then definitely a tune. And I'd say she's ready to be a solid, complete car. Just please stay subscribed, check out all the videos on the build. All of the support helps get this car to where it is and make it one of the coolest Z builds out there.
Jack, can you tell me when to stop? Oh, nice!
Ultra.